Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday and we are back with hand-picked deals that were sealed in the Web3 space. This time around, we have covered companies having varied presence from blockchain technology, gaming, AI space has hit the street for funding purpose. So brace yourself for another interesting episode. To begin with, we have a first deal with a lot of hush-hush around it. We are talking about the fundraising by digital asset trust firm Bitgo. The Palo Alto, California headquartered company has secured $100 million in a Series C funding round. It remains tight-lipped about its participants in this financial endeavor. What's interesting is the fresh infusion of capital catapults the firm's valuation to $1.75 billion. The latest update comes on the heels of Galaxy Digital scrapping its intentions to snap up Bitgo for a cool $1.2 billion August 2022. Earlier in June, Bitgo had its eyes on the beleaguered crypto custodian Prime Trust with acquisition plans. However, the deal fell through. Prime Trust soon found itself filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection the following month. While Bitgo remains tight-lipped on this round's backers, past investors have featured big names like Panthera Capital, Digital Currency Group, Redpoint, Goldman Sachs, and DRW Holdings. In next deal, we discuss the fundraising by AI developer. Let me tell you that AIs have garnered maximum interest among investment community. Anthropic, the artificial intelligence startup, has secured $100 million in funding from SK Telecom, a leading player in the South Korean telecommunications sector. The investment is intended to foster the development of a multilingual large language model tailored for global telecommunication firms. The funding also comes hot on the heels of a Series C round in which the firm raised a cool $450 million. SKT was involved in that round too via its venture capital arm SK Telecom Venture Capital. Google also invested in Anthropic in a previous funding round. The partnership between Anthropic and SKT will focus specifically on creating a multilingual LLM to support languages such as English, Korean, German, Japanese, Arabic, and Spanish. Anthropic, established in 2021, is known for Claude, an AI system designed to streamline various corporate tasks. The partnership between Anthropic and SKT signifies a strategic move in the field of AI. With the introduction of Claude and in the introduction of new use cases for LLMs, this collaboration is another major investment in a year in which AI has been a favorite topic of conversation among tech investors. Moving on, UAE-based Illuminati Capital has raised $50 million to invest in early-stage blockchain startups, including game companies. According to the news, the Dubai-based firm and its partners have individually invested in blockchain startups worth over $1 billion. Illuminati Capital aims to offer more than just financial support. The venture capital firm is dedicated to building the global Web3 ecosystem and driving transformative shifts in decentralized technologies. The team behind Illuminati Capital has collectively deployed $30 million, resulting in exits worth $150 million. Illuminati Capital's investment focus spans multiple verticals, including DeFi, blockchain gaming, artificial intelligence, NFT infrastructure, and real-world assets or RWA. By strategically investing in pioneering sectors, Illuminati Capital aims to play a pivotal role in shaping the decentralized economy of the future. We have covered yet another AI firm's funding activity. TraderAI, an artificial intelligence project that harnesses blockchain technology, has raised $25 million from alternative investment group LDA Capital. The project aims to offer AI services that aid decision-making for organizations and scale up their operations, according to an emailed announcement shared with CoinDesk. The capital will be used to grow the project's team of developers and add new organizations. Trader operates in a blockchain-based environment where AI computations are executed among the nodes participating in the network. Finally, to conclude this episode, we have a startup venture based out of San Francisco. Dynamo FL announced that it has closed a $15.1 million Series A funding round to meet demand for its privacy and compliance-focused generative AI solutions. Coming off a $4.2 million seed round, the company has raised $19.3 million to date. Dynamo FL's flagship technology, which allows customers to safely train large language models on sensitive internal data is already in use by Fortune 500 companies in finance, electronics, insurance, and automotive sectors. The round, co-led by Canopy Ventures and Nexus Venture Partners, also had participation from Formus Capital, Soma Capital, and angel investors Wojtek Jena, Apple's privacy-preserving machine learning lead, Tolga Ayobe, head of governance, risk, and compliance at Dropbox, and Charu Jangid, product leader at Snowflake, to name a few. Dynamo FL was founded by two MIT PhDs who have spent the last 6 years researching the cutting-edge privacy-focused AI and machine language technology, forming the basis of the company's core offerings. The team balances expertise in the latest research in privacy-preserving ML with researchers and engineers from MIT, Harvard, and Cal Berkeley, and experience in deploying enterprise-grade AI applications for Microsoft, Apple, Meta, and Palantir, among other top tech companies. That's all in this episode of Deal Corner. For more such updates related to Web3, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.